Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you all are healthy, okay? Today we will go to the next chapter. It is called transformation. Transformation is a process which changes the position and possibly the size of orientation of the shape. Okay? Jadi transformation itu adalah proses di mana posisi dari suatu titik atau benda itu berubah, bentuk atau berubah, ya. Bentuknya bisa berubah, posisinya juga bisa berubah. Okay, so we will learn how to move a point, change the position of a square or a triangle, enlarge a parallelogram, and etc. The first I want to teach you is how to transform a point by drawings. First is translation. What is translation? When a point of a figure on a coordinate plane is moved by sliding it to the right or left or up or down, the movement is called translation. The movement is denoted by AB, for which if the A is positive, it means move A units to the right. If A is negative, that means move A units to the left. Jadi kalau ininya positif, A-nya positif itu jalan A langkah ke kanan, kalau negatif A langkah ke kiri. Untuk yang B, for B, when B is positive, that means move B units upwards. B negative, it means B downwards. Okay. We go to the example 1. Example 1, I want you to draw the movement of point A 2,1 when translated by -2, 3. -2, 3. Okay, first we need to locate the point. 2,1 is right here. This is 2 and this is 1, so the point will be right here. This is called point A. And then we need to move the point by -2, which is -2, to the left 2 units. Okay, go to the left 2 units, and then 3 is B. The B is positive, it means 3 units upwards. So this is 2 units to the left. This one is 3 units upwards. Okay, 2 units to the left. Okay, so the movement will be like this: 2 units to the left, and then 3 units upwards. 1, 2, 3, right there. That is the image of point A. It is called A accent. A accent means the image of point A. And the coordinates is 0,4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The coordinate of A accent will be 0,4. Do you get it? Okay, good. How about B? B is -4, -1. Locate the point first. -4, -1, 2, 3, 4, right here. And then -1 is right here. So the point will be there, B. Okay, and then we have to move the point B 3, -2. What is the meaning of 3, -2? 3, it means go to the right 3 units. -2 means go downwards 2 units. Okay, so from B we have to move 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 units downwards. 1, 2. That's it. The final will be B accent. The coordinates of B accent, or the image of B, is -1, -3. There you go. That is translation. It's easy, right? Okay, we go to the next transformation. The second transformation is called reflection. Reflection is a transformation where a point appears an equal distance on the other side of a given line. It is called reflection. Reflection itu kayak pencerminan, ya, pencerminan kayak kamu ngaca di kaca. Oke, jadi ada dua poin di sini. There is the reflector and the image. Okay, I want you to look at example 1. Draw an image of point 2,1 when it is reflected to x-axis. Masih sama kayak tadi. Locate the point first. The point will be 2,1 right here. This is point A. Okay, and then we have to reflect this point to the x-axis. Which one is x-axis? Oh, this one. So the x-axis will be the mirror. Okay, so I color the mirror into red. Okay, so this one is it's still black, yeah. You cannot see it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so the mirror will be x-axis. How to reflect it? We only need to count or maybe calculate the distance between the point and the mirror perpendicularly, tegak lurus, ya. Jadi dari sini ke sini satu kotak, berarti mirrornya satu kotak lagi. So we have A accent. So the distance have to be the same perpendicularly, okay? So the A accent will be 2, -1. The image of A will be 2, -1. You get it? Okay, good. Next, 2,1 reflected to y-axis. 2,1 is right here. This is A, and then the y-axis will be the mirror. So I color the mirror into red. This one is the mirror. Okay, you have to reflect the A. How to reflect it? There is 2 steps from A to the mirror. So the image should be 2 steps also. This one called A accent. What is the coordinates of A accent? A accent is -2,1. Okay, continue. C is A 2,1 reflected to line x equals to -2. X equals to -2. Locate the point first, 2,1 right here. That is A. And then x equals to -2. X is vertical line at -2 right here. -2, x -2, and then the line will be vertical. As the previous one, we have to calculate the distance between A to the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the image will be 4 steps also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. This is A accent. So the coordinates of A accent will be -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -6,1. Okay, that is for reflection. One example A, B, C. Now we go to example D, E, F. D, E, F. Okay. This one. Draw an image of a point 2,1 when it is reflected to the line y equals to -2. Y equals to -2. Okay, locate the point first. This is A. And then draw the mirror. The mirror will be -2 at y. Y equals to -2. It will be horizontal line. This is the mirror. And then the perpendicular steps will be this one. 1, 2, 3. The image should be 1, 2, 3 also. So I have A accent. This is called A accent. And then the coordinates will be 2, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5. 2, -5. Okay. Next is 2,1. Y equals to x. 2,1 is right here. And then y equals to x is a line, diagonal line, that divide the Cartesian into two parts equally. So this is y equals to x. Y equals to x. You have to reflect this point into the mirror. The steps, you cannot go right here, the steps, because it's not perpendicular. To be perpendicular, you have to go right here, to go there. Okay, so the steps is only half square diagonally, and the image should be half square diagonally also. This is A, this is A accent. The coordinates of A accent will be 1,2. There you go. It's pretty easy, right? How about the F? F is 2,1 and then y equals to -x. 2,1 is right here. And then y equals to -x. It's the same with y equals to x, but it goes to the top left. This is y equals to -x. Y equals to -x. Okay, you have to reflect A into this mirror. It has to be perpendicular also, yeah. Okay, this one is a little bit hard if we directly using the pen. So I will use my ruler to make it perpendicular. So this is perpendicular. Okay, agree? Yeah, you have to agree with me. I'm your teacher. Okay, so the steps will be this one. Perpendicular steps. So the image should be equal distance. Okay, the image will be right here. Yeah, it calls A accent. The coordinates of A accent is -1, -2. Oh, sorry. Okay, there is typo right here. I type D, but it should be G. Yeah, sorry. Okay, G. Draw an image of point 2,1 when it is reflected to point 0,0. Now the mirror is a point, not a line. So 2,1 is right here as usual. 2,1, and then the point 0,0 as the mirror. The point is right here. 0,0. How to reflect this point into the mirror? You only need to draw a line directly from A to the point. Okay, and then you have to draw the same line to the opposite direction. So I draw like this. There you go. and this is the image of A to the point 0, 0, A accent. So the A accent will be -2, -1. You get it? Okay, how about this one? 2, 1, and then the reflect, it is reflected to the point -1, 2, -1, 2 right here. Oh, sorry, red ink. Okay, you have to draw a line directly from the point to the center to the mirror, right, like this. So the image should have the same distance. Should be like this. There you go. Okay, so the image should be here. A accent. A accent is 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, there you go. It's for reflection. The next is rotation. Rotation, as the words, it means rotate. Rotate itu putar. When a point is rotating, a center of rotation in the amount of an angle, so there is two kata penting di sini. It's a center, pusat dari rotasinya, and the angle, besar rotasinya, seberapa jauh dia berputar. Okay. In drawing, since we don't allow to use protractor itu busur derajat, we can only draw the rotation of 90, 180, 270, and 360. But if you are expert like me, we can draw also 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and so etc. Okay. We go to example 1. There is a point, still 2,1, rotated 90 degree counterclockwise. What is counterclockwise? Ya, berlawanan arah jarum jam. About the origin, so the origin will be the center of rotation. Okay, so we locate the 2,1 first, and then rotate 90 degree to the origin. You have to draw a line. So this one is the origin. The steps is draw a line from the point to the center, right here, and then rotate 90 degree counterclockwise. Rotate, you have to measure 90 degree from here, from the line, as big as 90 degree. 90 degree is not yet. Oh, this one is 90 degree. Okay, and then draw the line again from the center, equal length, yeah, equal length. This one is 2 squares, this one is also 2 squares. So the answer is this one, A accent. So the coordinates of A accent will be -1,2. A little bit hard, right? Okay. It's okay. I want you to pay attention for the B. I will do again for B. You memorize the steps. Okay. So we have 2,1 right here, and then I want you to rotate 180 degree counterclockwise about the origin. Counterclockwise itu kayak tadi, berlawanan arah jarum jam ya. Jadi ke sini. Okay, this is A. About the origin. So the center will be the origin. First step is draw a line from the point to the center, and then measure 180 degree counterclockwise from this line. 180 degree. Ini baru 90 derajat, and then 180 degree sampai sini. Ini udah 180 degree. And then draw the line again. It has to be equal length. Draw the line again. So, there you go. This is the image A accent. The coordinate of A accent will be -2, -1. Okay, how about this one? 270 degree, still the same, 2,1, and then the center is 0,0, the origin. Draw the line, measure 270 degree counterclockwise. 90, 180, 270. Kira-kira aja, ya. And then draw the line again. And then you get the image. The image will be 1, -2. Okay, we go to the D. If you don't understand, you can repeat my video since it's online learning. You can repeat it again until you understand. Okay. Next is D. D will be, what was it? Oh, point A, 90 degree. Now it's clockwise. Clockwise means searah jarum jam. Okay, locate the 2,1 first. This one, and then about the origin, the center will be 0,0. As usual, draw the line and then measure 90 degree clockwise. Now it's clockwise. Clockwise means searah jarum jam 90 degree. Searah jarum jam 90 degree, and then draw the exact line. Draw the exact line, okay, like this, 90 degree. So you have A accent. A accent is 1, -2. Okay, next is this one. Rotate 180 degree about the origin clockwise. Locate the point A, 180 degree. This is the center. 180 degree should be like this, and then clockwise 180 degree. Clockwise, and then draw the line again. You will get A accent. The A accent is -2, -1. How about this one? F, it's 270 degree clockwise. This is the point. This is the center. Draw the line. And then measure 270 degree clockwise. 90, 180, 270. There you go. So the A accent will be right here. A accent -1,2. Okay, I hope you get it, you understand, so you can draw it properly later. How about G? The difference is the point of center. The point of center, sorry, not the point of center. The center of rotation, yeah. The center of rotation is now not the origin anymore. It's -1, -1. The point still 2,1, but the center now is -1, -1 right here. Okay, so we have to draw the line like that, and then measure 90 degree counterclockwise. 90 degree from here. 90 degree. Okay, and then draw the line again. Exactly the same length. And and then you will get A accent. If you have any difficulties on drawing the second line, you can measure the length of the first line. The length of the first line is 1,7. So this one, it should be 1,7 also. Oh sorry, 1,4 ya. Oh ya, 1,4. 1,4. This one is also 1,4. Yeah. Okay. How about this one? 2,1 reflected 180 degree, -1, -1 as the center point. Not the center point. Oh, the center of rotation. Okay, so from this one we measure 180 degree and then draw the line again one more time. There you go. We have A accent. The A accent is 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, -3. Oh, this one is not written yet. The A accent is -2, -3,2. Okay, the last one for rotation is 2,1, 270 degree counterclockwise about point -1, -1. 2,1 is right here. -1 right here. And then draw the first line. Calculate, not calculate, measure 270 degree counterclockwise. Okay, I want to teach you the alternative way to draw this. 270 is too large to measure, so we can measure the opposite ways. If it is a 270 degree counterclockwise, we can measure 90 degree clockwise. 90 degree clockwise. Yeah, 90 degree clockwise means from here 90 degree. Then the image will be right here. Accent. Berapa? 1,4. Gitu. Ya, oke. Itu semua rotation. Nanti kalian saya kasih latihan. You have to draw many image and kumpulin ke saya, ya. Oke, yang terakhir untuk hari ini itu dilatation. Dilatation itu nama bahasa biasanya enlargement. Dilatation is a transformation that produce an image that is the same shape. Jadi bentuknya sama seperti yang aslinya as the original, but it is a different size. Tapi si ukurannya beda, ya makanya namanya enlargement. Enlargement means go more larger, okay, or it can be go more smaller, okay. Nah, jadi enlargement itu bisa diperbesar, bisa diperkecil tergantung skalanya berapa. Kita langsung ke example 1. Draw an image of a point 2,1 when it is enlarged by a scale factor of 2 about the origin. 2,1 lagi bosen. Sampai bosen ya. 2,1 scale factornya 2, about the origin itu berarti centernya 0,0. Center 0,0. Kita harus perbesar dia 2 kali lipat. Enlarge 2 times. Gimana caranya? Pertama, masih sama kayak tadi, kita harus gambar dari poin ke senternya dulu. Nah, terus dari senternya kamu loncat 2 kali, 2 steps. Tapi loncatnya sekali loncat itu sepanjang garis ini. Jadi gimana caranya? 1 step and then 2 step. 1 step, 2 step. Kemiringannya harus sama. Nah, gitu. Dapat bayangannya. Bayangannya di sini namanya A accent. Jadi A accentnya adalah 1 2 3 4 4,2. Ngerti nggak? Pasti enggak. Ya udah nggak apa-apa. Lanjut yang ini. Nanti yang udah banyak latihan baru ngerti ya. 6,3 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3. Akhirnya 2,1-nya berubah ya. The 2,1 is change. I already bored. Who make the questions? Oh my god. I bet the question maker is a boring person. Okay, so we back to the topic. Sorry. A 6,3 is enlarged by scale factor half. It's only half. What is the meaning of half? Half means it's smaller, not larger. Half times smaller. Okay. About the origin. The origin is the center. As usual, draw a line from the point to the center and then measure half times the distance. Half times the distance will be about right here. Half times the distance. It will be A accent. So the coordinates of A accent is 3,1,5. Okay, next is C. Draw an image of a point A 2,1 when it is enlarged by a scale factor of -2 about the origin. Okay, now it's negative. The scale factor is negative. Negative means the opposite ways, the opposite direction. Okay, so 2,1 is right here, and then the center is the origin right here. As usual, draw the line. If the scale factor is 2, we jump here. The direction is the same with the point. If the scale factor is -2, we jump the opposite way. So biasanya kita loncatnya ke sini 2 kali, tapi kalau negatif itu ke belakangnya, ya, ke belakangnya, the opposite way. So we have to jump 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2. There you go. We have A accent. The coordinates of A accent is -4, -2. Okay, next. Last page. Oh, so tired. D 2,1 again, really 2,1 enlarged by a scale factor of -½ to the origin. This is the origin, and then draw the line. You have to make half step as this line. Okay, yang seharusnya kita loncat ke sini 1 langkah, kita cukup loncat setengah langkah. Setengah langkah itu berapa senti ya? Kira-kira ya seginilah. Nah, setengah langkah. 1 langkah, setengah langkah. Nah, kita dapat poin. Poinnya adalah A accent. A accentnya coordinatesnya -1, -½ gitu. Lanjut. Yang I. Point of center pointnya sekarang berubah. Jadi -1, -1. -1, di sini. 2,1-nya di sini. This is A. Scale factornya 2 ya. Scale factornya 2, berarti gambar dulu lainnya. We have to jump 2 times. Equidistance with this one. Okay, jump 2 times. 1 and then 2. Nah, jamnya nggak boleh ngasal ya, dia harus 1 garis lurus. 1, 2. Kalau nggak pengen susah sih, garisnya tadi dipanjangin dulu aja. Nanti tinggal loncat 2 kali ya. Terus di sini ada A accent, aksennya coordinates-nya adalah 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5,3 gitu. Terus yang terakhir, nggak terakhir sih, 4,2 ya, 4,2 akhirnya berubah 4,2, poinnya negatif 2, negatif 2, tarik garis lagi kayak biasa, and then scale factornya setengah. Berarti dari sini loncat setengah ya. Setengahnya masih positif, jadi loncatnya ke arah si titik. Setengahnya kira-kira di mana ya? 1, 2. Setengahnya di sini. Nah, ini adalah A aksen. Jadi A aksennya adalah 1,0. Dua nomor terakhir nih. Dua nomor terakhir G 4,2 enlarged by scale factor negative 2. 4,2 di sini. Terus poinnya, centernya 1,1. Scale factornya negatif 2 ya. Negatif berarti ke arah sebaliknya 2 langkah. 1, 2. 1, 2 ke arah sebaliknya. So this will be A accent. The A accent is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5, negative 1. Okay, last one, 4,2. 4,2 di sini. And then 2,0. 2,0 the center. Draw the line first. Then negative half. Negative half means half step, opposite. Segini aja, half step. Oke, nah ini adalah A accent 1, negative 1. Okay, that's it guys. So I told you before, if you don't understand, you can repeat my explanation. Go to the section that you are not understand. Okay, I hope you can do the exercise well, and I'll see you soon again at class later. So keep healthy and study. Okay, don't go outside. Bye guys, thank you. Oh, I forget. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Okay, bye bye.